Me not like mix up, you know. I mean, I like people chop me.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Where's your shirt?
I keep miscussing you, though.
Akeem is cussing me, my cussing self. My cussing phone. Where's Azir?
Over there.
Azir!
Wanna hear that? I'm glad on the ear. That's all I want to know. Not to know.
Let me tell you what I want to do. I want to go to one place. I want to lock up with one bat, some buckler and some stone. And I just want to beat out some bum bucklers until I cry. I just want to scream. Triple, me just want to hold up and my hand in my ear and scream and cry, and then I go up on my knees and pray. I don't want nothing else than that. I want to scream, cry, break down, and then we get up back and brush it off, go up on my knees and pray. That moment. I want to go somewhere where we can cry. Tired of crying in my car, I'm tired of crying in the garage. I feel wipe my eye, go for anything. I want to go somewhere where I can cry. Cry. And go up on my knees and pray.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Where's your shirt?
I keep miscussing you, though.
Akeem is cussing me, my cussing self. My cussing phone. Where's Azir?
Over there.
Azir!
So what I have to say about it now? You see, every time when I talk something, you beat me down and calm me down. So I want to hear what I have to say. I'm not going to tell you a lie. Let me just say this. Let me say that part here.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Where's your shirt?
I keep miscussing you, though.
Akeem is cussing me, my cussing self. My cussing phone. Where's Azir?
Over there.
Azir!
I keep miscussing you, though.
You see this part of the video? It made me sympathize with Yannick Sotil. That part of the video. You see people, I'm going to tell you the truth. World Dog is a dirty drunk, bro. World Dog is a nastiness. And Yannick, you careless. You're careless. You're careless, and this is the level of carelessness me I talk about. World Dog is a dirty drunk, bro. World Dog a dog. I tell you, World Dog don't even deserve friends. Me not ask the question. World Dog don't deserve friends. Let me just say this. World Dog never in a relationship. Let me say this. World Dog and Swissley, I work on a strategy. Yeah? Let me say this to you. World Dog and Swissley, them a bring down themselves and every woman with them. Want me tell you why? Because Rosalie have got down and Akeem focus fixated elsewhere. You get what me I say? At the app I cause all of this. World Dog, me just spit in a World Dog face. Me just spit in a World Dog. Me just reel up and spit in a World Dog face. I just saw me feel like me just arc and two in a World Dog face. I kid you not. You see the same little boy where World Dog have a gyrate for the internet to make money. The same little baby here. The same Amir where you own up and say is your son. World Dog, you want shot with shit. Me just spit in your face. Me just spit on you and stinking Swissley. Me just spit on you know. Cock toe. Yeah, on a demon. On a demons. The same little boy when me did attack, the whole no jump up on my case. When me say, look him have the baby upon the baby. He might work out the baby. I tell you now, you hear Yanni come back and say, give me Amir come because he want to make money off of you. You never know that all along careless woman. No, you don't have an answer to give the little boy. Me Marcus himself. The party I break my heart. Me not break my heart wickedly. It break my heart for honey pack really I go on so. Me don't know what the word honey pack. And you know you don't have nobody way active. It break my heart for true. When Amir say, Mom, Akeem is cussing you out. It's just sad. It is so sad. Never have I been seeing this yet. World dog, you're too loud for you to take honey pack. You're too loud. Man with deadwood for walk in silence. World honey pack, you're too loud. And then on a careless girl sit down and entertain him. Miss Triple him get stink on Miss Triple because she tell him the truth. Woman to woman, Miss Triple tell him the truth. Yannick, you better run now because you fight over flaccid. A flaccidity you fight over. You know, she said that flaccid bad. That can even make pancake. World honey pack. I don't know what kind of man who not fight over, what kind of man who make a disgrace on you know. But every time I talk my argument catch you know, and the careless people them have the smartphone, you know. And them always ignorant to me I say. Me don't know which soft food boy can make me feel away. Go on yeah? Go on. You can't then world dog, you really got trust the vehicle and come on the upper go like wanna buy it. But all Yannick a real idiot girl, you know. Then look on the boss what they especially for me and no oil. Eh? Then all on that boss and a brag about the BM the jail here. I'm going to say IGL. And the cylinder company that's in the IGL. Eh? When you that boast about the IGL, tell me the truth now. And not go on like when I have it and you're a multi-millionaire. Tell me the truth where God love. You never nobody, you did broke. You did broke. You broke bad a pure face card that you use on the app. Pure face card that you use on the app. You broke. When I broke, no make sense, not even 1 cent. Him should not bad about care payment and also the same Yannick this will world out cost the internet and say, no, no rich like my woman, no gifter, nobody pan around no rich like my woman, then only rich this shiro. Because some of rich wickedly in our mind, you know. Change place with happy wife. You kill off Job, you kill off Joe, you know. And now you mash up Yannick. You're a destruction. Nobody no remember say you kill off Joe. And you know come on, no one give nobody no explanation. Me don't know how to pay half things. Well dog, you can't come back on the app unless you ship the barrel with the crooks. You can't come back on the app unless you ship the barrel with the crooks. Me nah ask you. At the barrel with the crooks for one, you're a thief. Yannick never knows say she take a thief. Yannick never hear you say out of your mouth yet say you no work nowhere unless you can thief. Oh, and see that you work with Yannick and you thief. Yeah? When Yannick says she and mine, your time for spend for her now, you catch a fit. Then look on World Dog is not even look good for girl mine, yo. Me don't know what of them boy, you cannot even close fit you like you're born and grow naked. Not even close fit your World Dog. God know you never wow me yet on the app. You never wow me yet, I'm like madman. You never wow me yet. I'm like madman. You never look good yet. Look on where, I say, Amir break my heart, me not telling no lie. Amir break my heart. Ladies, be careful of the germs. And when then Yannick can kill this girl anyway for bring all them dirty boy then and fear pick the life. Me don't know how to someone to kill this nasty girl. When they just big and careless. Amir now I used to stepdaddy again. Think like shit, you want somebody spitting in your face and Joe go one back. We know you all know how you kill Joe. And that we not hear. We don't hear. We don't hear all now. You are the cause why Joe dead. We don't hear that all. Go suck your mama World Dog. I who this from program about oh wow. I who say oh wow. Oh wow wow. Oh wow wow. Right now I want World Dog exchange place with happy wife. A World Dog I want to exchange place with happy wife. Go suck out your dirty mama. Go suck out your nasty mama. And then you come back and try play a victim, but you want to go somewhere, go scream. You don't want to go scream and mash nothing. You need to pray to God and make you take happy wife space.
My blood clot, tower. You want me come on myself, can me go cheat? You want me take myself and put power like blood clot post, can me go cheat? You want me go hang the blood clot, can me go cheat? You want me running our bus, can me go cheat? You want me go carry myself and turn in the police station, say me cheat? No, you want me to lock up myself and say me down there for cheat?
Me tell you say it's a bossing for stand up in front of.
Oh no, fasting at people house too much. You're fasting at people house too much. Oh no, living at people house too much. Oh no, people on the media. And I see him till me come and say this morning. That's what a friend are.
Oh, world dog, me by we living at people house. World dog, come eat me. What you mean we living at people house? I wanna always showcase the things them in a dirty place. I wanna always showcase the things them in a nasty place. Wanna come like Lando we got Airbnb and come back and look sympathy with him roof. And him kitchen with a rusty grater. I wanna always showcase in a house. What you mean people love in a house? Remember I wanna show people own up hills house pan the hills. And Ben Sparkle. Nobody never asked you for nothing yet, world dog. Nobody never asked you for showing nothing. I wanna kiss and tell. So what you mean the people them love in a people house too much? No, but it's not like the people supposed to entitled to go into your house because of them pay the bills. Hello? Why you wanna keep the owner outside? Non-progressive elements. And nobody never asked. You give away a tour like Ivani. Are you sure all your woman have how much tin bags because you're the lady in the house? You're a housewife. Yannick is a house husband. You're a housewife. Are you sure everything? Yannick not have no privacy. World honey pack. Is you come out and tell we say yeah use honey pack for enhancement. And stamina. Is you I know Yannick don't tell we say you feel in the bedroom. All I know Yannick don't tell we say you eat fur burger. All I know Yannick don't say nothing. Now you attack because you want to come back on the app, come beg because you suffer no world dog. You gone back to You gone back. It's just because Yannick love man make you do her so. I just true Yannick love man. If Yannick never love man, you see, I just true Yannick faster all of this. That a Sharon walk on my baby. Yeah, Page wanting. Just true Sharon. You know Sharon, just true Yannick love man. It's true. And see Breeze walk on, me never see no girl. Yeah, just because. Make you can't sit down. It's the same thing world. You see how so good Zandrama? Zandrama will eat dog. You see how she busy attack about Jaden? Check world dog line and history and see how him treat women. Ask anybody on the app. World dog not like woman. World dog don't like ladies. Them boy not like girl. Sometimes me I wonder if me like man more. Are them. It's true. It's true. Me say it's just because Yannick kill this man. For make world dog. Nothing wrong if she want there with him, you know. Because every girl deserves to control her own and own. Irrespective of how we talk. But you see the little baby boy. You see the little baby boy. It hurt my heart. I kid you not. It hurt my heart. Hey, mom. You know, I'm greeting mother. Me not ask you. I'm greeting mother. It hurt my heart, man. It hurt my heart. Akim is cussing you out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, me always tell una careless girl say, look at how small Amir is. And una mother, una behaves, not you Yanni. And una behaves certain way upon the app. And una have young picnic. And then una want me now to look on una picnic and say me and cuss una and leave them out, take me and join the entire family. Una careless more than me. Where mother there? Where mother's on drama and the whole of them with the gang up on me. Where mother them there? Where me see when man draw away from she about to. Where me see there? Where man use coconut oil in your bathroom. Eh? Is a ras. Yesterday, where your uncle take your virginity from back, where we pull your back door in the front door, should I use? Come on, man. Where is Macy? The whole of they jump up on me for Shanta and Rosalie, they come back and talk about say, it look like say true Shanta no one Jakes, him no one let off no money. True Jakes can get Shanta for there with. Rosalie come back come say so, me not hear none of you come out and you don't know, so no whole on jump up on class and Rosalie come back and say to him can't get Shanta for there with him no want leave no money. You go like remember me here? Hear me here and me not care. You never know. Yeah. And then when you done, you jump up and you say me this and me that. Shock, you remember? Yeah. Jump up and you go on the most way. But me never came. Me talk with me for talk already. Yeah. Come on, I have to cancel Shebada. Cancel me. Remember me I want to on the same level. Remember gigabytes make you feel alive. This not make me feel alive. Hush. Yeah. You see how it work though? This is how it works. You know, hear them come back on top because every single thing they monetize, them not have no meaning towards what them are discuss. So you hear world only pack a guan. Me want go in a one room, go mash suck your mama, go mash up your mother casket. And the casket if you go beat the dead off of your mother. Yeah. You know want go mash up nothing, go beat the dead off of your mother, dirty world only pack. Go beat the dead off of mommy. Go beat the Congo worm them off of your mother remains. And that you forgot do. Him sick my stomach. This is witchcraft in a people. Hear what the baby is saying. Out of respect. I don't hear the baby say, Mom, why you and Akeem fighting? Eh? Why you and Akeem fighting? One world only park. Yeah? Why I don't hear the baby say that. This is what breaks my heart.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Where's your shirt?
I don't know. Akeem is cussing you, though.
Akeem is cussing me, my cussing self.
This is embarrassing. Listen, me feel it for Yannick right here. Yannick, me not lie. Me feel it for your girl. You have a child. Be a model in front of your child. Be a model in front of your child. At the end of the day, if the kid does not belong to the man, don't make the man have the kid all over. Because this is the end product. This is the end product. Una woman too careless. You need me feel it for you, but I have to tell you the truth, my baby. I feel it for you, my baby, but I have to tell you the truth. It is embarrassing, my baby. Oh, hi, Mom. Akeem is cussing you, though. The baby is hurting. Because this is not what they introduced to the baby prior. This will mash up the baby mind. What is the argument about? And then you talk about you want to go somewhere after you're done with Yannick, go beat and... Well, dog, I want to tell you some things to say. I want them fine you for Joe. And Joe, I want them fine you for Joe. Because all I know, we not hear how Joe did go, you know. All I know. I say it hurt me to my heart, people. It hurt me to my heart. I feel it. I feel real bad. Honestly, I feel real bad. And I'm nothing for hype over, and I'm nothing for laugh over, and I'm nothing for say, yeah, girl, I'm good for you. No. Just because the baby, it hurt me to my heart, me not lie you. And the baby have sense. Come, I never done listen to you from yesterday. Come, we're gonna listen to you again. Yeah.
Me never once said that.
But you keep on cheating and cheating, so me have had it.
And I said, I went and I cheated.
And how you cheated?
I went and I cheat. Him not cheated, you know, because him went and cheat. Him went and cheat.
But the information will come out of my house and everything that I do and everything that I hear. And I said things to you the other day.
I see him so World Dog behave when him did go there with Yannick. Same way you saw World Dog behave. World Dog has a pattern of allowing the new woman to feel like she's the only girl in the world when you want to break up with the next one. Remember, I saw World Dog used to behave. Remember, I saw World Dog used to behave. When him go in a relationship with Yannick, him no make no say him drop out of one. Him go in a one relationship with Yannick. and he behave like a hog and a dog, and everybody go on him side, and everybody say yes, and the same strategy he might use. Yeah, I see him.
The day when Yannick find out me got DR, I have camera in my garage.
The day when Yannick found out that he went to DR. How if you live with a woman and she find out say you're there? Ladies, enough of women gone a hotel and tell us them a work overnight. Enough of women sleep with your mate overnight and on weekends and tell us they work. This is not right to sit and listen. World Dog chat, and World Dog attack everything where we never hear Yannick say, and then he go say Yannick a chatting business. Una say World Dog a chat business, people. Tell me the truth where God love. All I know we not hear Yannick come out and boss. We not hear Yannick come out and boss what. Like we know everything where Yannick tell other people where we not privy to. Then is who Yannick talk to. I must the man in the mirror. You understand me? So as a female, would you guys want to support things like this or an individual like this? Tell me the truth. Because if so be the case, you don't deserve a good man now happiness. Happiness in a job, finance, nothing at all. Tell me the truth. Listen to this. Him and her living her, but she have to find out that he's not in the country. She had to, on her own. Tell me the truth now. And we live together. We live together. Enough of we in a relationship or did in a relationship. And when it fall apart, we did have a ton treasure hunters. We search the information to suit our emotions. We search. Whether we want to search to find out if it's true, or we want to search so that we can hurt enough to do what we want to do. But we search. And World Honey Pack, I got to say,
Watching Yannick searching down my place.
Is not searching down your place,
not my place. I can't understand searching down my place. Me not understand that part here.
The one I call was a mix up ugly woman in my camp when they make her. And as soon as she called me, I swear, I make her tell herself he called me. Because me I listen to it on it. Me I listen to it on the camera. And me I listen to it. Here make her with her training device. Call him like she and your mad shit. Come on, not for you again, to kill me dead over here, I let me over here suffer down blood clot.
Yeah, here, him no want nothing from Mecca. Because she talk like she and him and shit. All if him over there suffer, it simply means that Mecca is a good gifter.
Tell me not because you want to do a fuck up the place too.
Nobody fuck up your place, you fuck up your own.
No, I'm swearing funny for true and he's not funny. World Dog is a batty boy, he's not funny.
Place.
Call him.
One man, we know one woman.
When she called me, say, me I listen to your conversation.
He must say, me a search up in place, guys. If you and a man live together and own a house together, how me a search up your place?
You know, say, I'm going to tell you the truth. You see, I'm going to say something. I'm going to sound like a hypocrite now. You know, say, Yannick is not a bad girl. Yannick isn't a bad girl, you know. You know, say, she's not a bad girl. It's just that we have a class her and dig up her past based on who she there with. Yannick is not a bad girl, you know. Honestly. You see, listening to Yannick and looking at her reaction, me not lie. Me feel sorry for her, you know. Me feel sorry for her. But Yannick, we have a class your nastiness based on who you're there with. But you're not a bad girl, you know. You deserve love. And sometimes we are try hook for. You understand me? No, me not apologize to nothing that I said to you in the past, you know. Me hold firm on everything what me tell you in the past. You get what I say? Me hold firm on it, man. No, baby, me not apologize to nothing. But what I'm saying is this. You deserve better. A lot better. You know some people that say, me sir, me never meet you on different terms. You are one of that. Yeah. She's such a soft individual. 25 people, mother, what man? Yeah. Okay, no, anyway. No, it's true. She's such a soft girl, and I sympathize with her in this situation. Mark, as much as though you're frustrating a girl, I sympathize with you. I truly sympathize with you. It is not right. Yannick, take your picnic them and go on. You will always hold him accountable for child support. Take your picnic them and go on. Moi, what my baby? No, honestly, I'm not apologizing for anything I'd said in the past about Yannick. Because with your company comes responsibility. But nevertheless, you see, in this situation, I thoroughly sympathize with you. Woman to woman, World Dog is a bitch.
Yes. That makes sense?
No.
My house too.
To the fucking street and media, the attention.
No, man, none of them something woman support. Any woman will ever go through heartbreak or a breakup or they're never ready for end yet, must can sympathize with a girl here.
Me go out in the garage and see the fucking bag. The bag. And so the bag, the pan is sitting. So the bag, the pan is sitting.
Yeah.
And me see the Spanish sitting. The Spanish writing.
I wish money Yannick say World Dog take our money and give the girl buy things out of her money for the new woman. No man, and people are support World Dog Live. And people are support World Dog Live. When you take Yannick money, go buy girls, go buy your mate things. Him take money and keep baby shower. Oh, the baby shower money him take and go buy the and go get the girl. So after the whole internet send money, Yannick no get nothing out of the baby. I wear the mama blood finger this and Yannick can wheelie Winnie Mandela. You hold on in a girl. At the fastest me chop him and go on to the precinct. Then we're like on a body. Once you wicked, you can't change. And Miss Triple still on the stream, but you want take the button and sit down on it. But you want to go in one room with a button and some glass, sit down on it, sit on the buttons. And them can't give an account for the baby shower money. Wait, then Andrew only is this. And Andrew only is this man. And them can't get an account for the money. You know, so World Dog and Andrew attack on the phone after dark.
See, I need to cook some raw pot for our day. I said, Jesus Christ, I need to make anybody cook say, man.
He lie. Every day me cook.
Triple, I did everything. Triple, I did everything.
Remember when Yannick do our food, that's why I said digital footprint is important. And I look at him, Yannick used to do our food video. Oh, remember when Yannick used to do our food video? I said, guys, this is what I made today. Our motorboat our image. Allow me to tell. Who remember when Yannick had do our food video then? Oh, well, that one make the girl seem so bad after she walk and mind him. Eh? After Yannick walk and mind him. The girl do a whole heap of food video. Unless you never want yam none of the food then because you yam a mate yard. I saw one man stay when you eat our mate yard you come in and dip on. You know, so I don't know my feel so I don't feel hungry you know. I forgot bun and split for open my appetite. Eh? Him don't eat it and him don't eat it, you not tell me. Let me tell you something, because no for no man I do not thinking mouth. Let me tell you something. Hold on there. AC, hold on there, turn down like. Let me tell you woman something, because no for no girl sit down on the app and you don't want to call out the things they want to say. You don't want to call out on the past when you don't see it in the future. Yes, when a man leave you, I tell you something, so when a man leave you, you as a woman who really love the man, and this go for every girl, I don't care what you want to say. You see, if you're not trying to impress him with the house, you're trying to impress yourself. You're going to do it for yourself. We all set up a change. Just that you can recognize that this is a message to you. I need some attention. I need some attention from you. Let me tell you the truth. We all do it as female. You cook the best food. If you want to eat him, eat. If you don't want to eat him, don't eat. This is what we do. We are trying to hold on while we are trying to get back. It's a psychological thing, you know. We are trying to get back pieces of we that our spirit tell us that we lost. So we start getting back to taking care of us. So when him sit down and him say, she cook some rotted food, where's your money? Where is your money? Boy, we not provide for eat breeze. Yeah, where is your money? Me not hear you say, Yannick, but buy all the food them put, but people may go grocery and buy all the big meat them put in the fridge and Yannick no cook none of that. We not hear that. What is grocery shopping like for your world, dog? And me you have to dig up your mother and eat her. You got to. Me don't know what Yannick do. So you want to come back on the map, the app now, to manipulate. Me tell you, say, world dog and Swissly. Explain something to you. Because no fun of me say it. You see, both late last year and early this year, the amount of disgrace where Swissly try put out upon himself. You know? The amount of disgrace where Swissly try put out power relationship with him claim. A relationship with him claim. A relationship with him claim to have. And nobody never fall for it. True or lie? Nobody never fall for it. Nobody never fall for it. Lying people. Nobody at all never drop feet. Alright. Fast forward. Akeem and Rosalie run the app. Don't. Whether we like it, yes or no, them did run the app. Talk truth. Alright, fine. Diamond and figure it out. And you have the Jaden. Talk truth, nah, man. You notice when Rosalie figure it out, Diamond, Jaden, them depend the app. And that feed them season for run the app. You notice that every underdog can get a rise. You wanna realize, you notice that every underdog can get a rise. You notice that I'll Bree Braff Lounge can start the live and gain recognition. You notice that, don't? And them don't have to feel like nobody now go watch them, because if I even one somebody go watch them. You notice when World Dog and Swissly them claim to say them manipulate the app. You notice that nobody cannot rise. You notice that nobody cannot rise on the app. No, it's when World Dog and Swissly out of the equation. How much rankers you not see farm? How much TikTokers you not see rise? Just answer the question. A lot of TikTokers. No, just to make my point clear, the reason why World Dog is being like this, because ordinarily if Akeem's story them did a sell and Rosalie's story and Jaden's story, you would hear say World Dog and Yannick have problem, we keep it under hush hush. But nevertheless, because Rosalie busy now focusing on something else, and Akeem a walk a try use Colombia for go across to America, you understand me? You know what is happening? You know what is happening? World Dog I try use a situation for all on the internet. Me not ask you know, and then them say them talented. Them have to wait until one of them friend now look, then them jump. Honestly say that? At that I go on. So all of this big excitement I'm bringing down of Yannick, it's not because you're upset with Yannick. And that is why I say Yannick deserve more and she deserve better. And that is why I say Emmy for go home. Because you see these men, they don't care about the female's feeling. Once they are getting the fame, that's what they want. And they will do anything and bring down anybody to stay relevant. Emmy, go on home. Me not tell you again. Me not tell you again, Emmy, go on home. Oh, not tell you again. They will do anything. Anything at all. The app of an open window. So it World Dog use and you might throw Yannick under the bus. Because even so be the case, Yannick is the same one who came out and said, Yannick is the same one who came out and said, World Dog not like black woman. You understand me? And World Dog not like this and World Dog not like that. It's true. Don't you dare defend any man, my baby. Don't defend no man. Because him a light black woman and a useless and is a black girl. You see, it is a black girl and get catch with. So me I tell you, say the things them we do, just because he wants to come on the app, they might use all sort of something, all sort of situation. It break my heart to hear the baby talk about this. World dog are wicked. World dog are wicked. World dog are wicked. World dog say, me say Jesus have mercy. Jesus have mercy. Hold on the people.
So guys, I made stew peas with pigtail
Me too.
and beef,
And beef.
avocado, tomato, cucumber,
Cucumber.
white rice.
Yannick no cook no big food I yard. Yannick cook no big food I yard. Yannick no cook no big food at home. You want Swissley, you want shot with shit. Yeah? Yannick no cook no big food I yard. Yannick, when me and you did there, you never did do this. I tell you no big old girl, you know. I say no key what you do for man in your lifetime. You see the day when them want to come out of your life, you never do nothing for them shit here yet. You never do nothing for them yet. Of course, World Dog ungrateful long ago, and not today. And not today, World Dog ungrateful. And not yesterday and the day before, yesterday and the last week. But say sometimes you do some simple, stupid things and it turn out to be a receipt. See them? Yannick is at home and she's cooking stew peas with avocado. Give the girl the credit. And this is much we don't like about you. You know we class the girl for you because we can't bother class you. And you willingly want we class the girl now. 2 meat. Me say when I don't full it up a chicken foot and chicken neck. When you don't eat, your stomach's supposed to slippery, slimy, sorry. Yeah, it's just the truth. You are a not. You see, World Dog are wicked and evil, you know. A narcissist, you know. World Dog are evil, you know. And these are the men you guys are forging. No, maybe one kangaroo. True. These are the type of males you guys. That's why I say, Emmy, go home. Go home, Emmy. What Lando is seeking is money where he can't spend. No help no boy make no money for take care of your mate. Go on home. Go on to your yard, Emmy. You see how long me I tell you? Emmy no care. I just said to her go. Hold on. Emmy no know how Jamaicans stay now. Everybody soon start talking how Emmy careless. Hold on. She no see her coming on. Emmy don't care. Emmy really don't. Emmy like the dirty life and the nasty liberty. Emmy love it. She loves this. Emmy don't care for real. So all we there say sympathize with Emmy and I say this and I say Emmy don't care. Emmy don't care about a country that receive me. The country never receive you. None of we at Jamaica never receive you more than your man friend them. God no girl, don't get it twisted. Don't believe that you. Jamaica not like you. Jamaica see as one big overseas African careless girl. Trust and believe. That's why I tell you, say, me not 2-1 target, you know. I want to leave it to the general public because it's when time the general public tired of you. Trust me. Them soon tell you go look at work. Because you're there, you might as well. Just hold on. Because you're going to tell me, say, you come Emmy and you left Africa, come here without money. You must be dreaming. Any old Emmy did have her money, Lando would leave Emmy for a call him to tell him session. Tell him such a hungry. And that no found and I realize. Anytime you see a girl come from foreign, the boy them itch up on her. And anytime her money done, at them time they you see the boy on the road and a box food that send go gear down at the yard. Yeah, give moms this sim I'm out here so. When you know the runnings. Am I alone at Jamaica? Money am I alone at Jamaican? Any old Emmy did come at Jamaica with money. Understand me? If that baby girl that came here with money, and she was spending, Lando would have Emmy up and down for all around the town. When the breeze blow, your dirty baggy show. Just like when World Dog just meet Yannick. What World Dog did to everybody on the internet is turning back on everybody on the internet. All his gifters. True or false, people draw back for the screen recording now. When World Dog, nobody know the World Dog, now World Dog just start cuss the comment section. Remember now, when World Dog just found Yannick, what was World Dog's words? No, TM is not lie, me I tell. T square, and not lie, me I tell. What was World Dog's word? Me say, when God ready for humble you, you have to crawl like the serpent on your belly. And at that catch World Dog now. When Yannick did I tell World Dog say, she have what did he say? My woman rich, go suck on the woman. Within the time when World Dog got cuss, we never hear say 9 to 5 people helping by him house. Mama things go suck on the woman. Am I me I tell you? What you notice with Lando, World Dog, Swissley, all of them do a video so. Chat, you know say XYZ, ZYE, all around the town when the breeze blow, you dirty baggy show. All of them. I let Gia say unemployed. I like me I tell all of them do a video so. When you hear Lando video, when you talk about guys, you see when it comes to picnic, me no run certain joke, you know, my daughter. Nobody never dare talk about your daughter Lando. And money ya look, nobody never dare talk about your child. Well dog, are you give Yannick but not have baby mother? So oh you want go in one room with button and beat things? Are you come out and tell lie pan Yannick World Honey Pack? World Honey Pack, are you come out and tell lie pan Yannick say Yannick a walk and chat your business? Are you tell the internet say you would soft? If you're a young boy you would can't stand up. What you do? You leave the strength in a bottom? You leave the whole of your cocky strength in a anus? Just asking for a friend. Yannick should have a sister like me or a cousin. Me not lie. Me da run up and down in your bottom. Me da run up and down in your bottom World Dog. Number one, me I go over Yannick for you come. Me have to chop your foreign. Me just have to chop your foreign. Front way, side way, back way. Me have to chop you. Now ask you. When is a wicked set a dirty boy on the internet? When is a wicked set a dirty boy on the internet? Una anna man, una love man like dog. Una treat man better than una treat woman. Una friend them una go all out. Yannick, you so swiftly break World Dog's heart. By not being with him anymore. And look when want be away from you. World Dog ever hang up on Swissley and him and Swissley never grow up on 8 seconds. That's supposed to tell you something. That's supposed to tell you. That's supposed to tell you something. Now ask you, tell me, I tell you. You never see it. You never see it. True love will never die, matter how we try. True love will never die. You never know. What, you never know. He was quick to leave you, Yannick, but he held on to Swissley. We not see you in baby mother and him in a pool with the baby and none of play splashing by each other, but we see him and Swissley in the water. That's why enough of una girl man I carry do the come flushing and punani. Because I'm brethren that man, and him spend more time with him than you. Then over there with right now for my boy look me and him have him best friend. If you spend too much time with your best friend, me get jealous. Come where for cut this quick. There with your friend. There with your friend. It's not a lie me I tell you. I own alone sit down and encourage enough of them something. Spend time me talk, me go straight to the bone marrow. Me can't deal with flesh alone. Straight to the bone marrow. Me after me not kill this. Me I wrap up this thing quick. Yeah, him and Swissley in a pool and yeah say him not carry out you, but him quick for going in a pool with Swissley. You know see how him quick for talk, oh, me love world dog. Me love world dog. No, Swisser boy where me love. Huh? Then you need to spy you in a relationship. Cause world dog wasn't for you, it's for we. Which spy in a relationship. Check it now. Enough boy I do no so. No boy can do with me and I talk about somebody else. So, me not care for your best friend. You have to be my best friend too, so me have to understand. Yeah, it's true. Yannick, my baby, me now go telling a lie. Me feel it for woman to woman. World dog is a wicked. World dog is a wicked. Even though you might make love blind, yeah, but he rules you. Him R-U-S-E-U. You know what that him do you? He rules you. I'm telling you this every day. A man with still in a relationship and name you out for years, and when your money done at that time, they want to move on. Yeah. How does that make you feel? You feel rejected. You feel played. You feel beaten down. Beaten down. You understand me? These are the stuff females go through. And then you might cry and not go like, yeah, nah, you know, you licky. And that no females go through, and no females have go through it too. Humiliation for true. He might humiliate the child in a simple bliss just because what? And some gunman now shot, Rosalie now shot, and the rest of people them now shot, so the internet kind of quiet. Up for grabs. Anybody can get the app. That's why. And that's the only reason why. Yeah. All world dog want come back, come do and tell a bag of lie. Then can world dog speak anything and anybody believe him? Yannick, oh you cook them big food. When me you there, you never cook them big food there. World dog not tell the same woman rich. If you woman rich, you nanny am good. Eh? You nanny am good. See stupid with the check. World dog, you know how long that video you do? That video you do, I think little after the magazine them show up on the table. Yeah. See the lady cook stew peas.
So guys, I made
Yeah.
stew peas with pigtail
Me too.
and beef,
Yeah.
And beef.
avocado,
And it look good.
tomato, cucumber,
It look good, it not running and it not too thick.
rice.
Yeah. 2025. From 2025 and 2026 to middle. And at 6 months now, Yannick no cook nothing good give you. World I go suck your mother casket. That you forgot though. Go give your mother casket a blowjob.